Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Binance ID on the Binance app. It is a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the star button at the top. Simply select it. Then, here you can find the ID right here. Now to get the ID, you can simply tap on it and you can see the ID has been copied. And after copying the ID, you can simply send it to your friend and add it. And that's it. This is how you can get the Binance ID on the Binance app. It is a very easy and simple process, right? Now enjoy using the Binance app and send it to your friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.